In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Keep notes with others. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can follow along on a computer. Start by opening your web browser and signing into your Google account. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid icon. This opens the menu of Google services. Scroll through until you see the Keep icon. If you don't see it right away, you can drag the list to reveal more apps or just type keepgoogle.com into the address bar to jump straight there. Once Google Keep is open, you'll see your notes. Find the note you want to share. If you have lots of notes, use the search bar at the top or click a label to narrow things down. Give the note a clear title if it doesn't have one. That makes collaboration easier for everyone. Click the note to open it so you can access the full toolbar. Look along the toolbar for the collaborator button. It looks like a little person with a plus symbol. If you don't see it, make sure the note is fully open rather than just in the grid view. Click that collaborator button to open the sharing window. In the field that appears, start typing the email address of the person you want to collaborate with, then select the correct contact from the suggestions. You can add more than one person here if needed. Double check spelling. Sharing only works if the address is correct, and collaborators typically need to use a Google account to edit. Keep in mind, collaborators can edit the note. There's no view-only mode in Keep. That means they can change text, check off list items, and add content just like you. When you're ready, click Save or Done to confirm. The people you added will receive an email notification, and the note should show up in their Google Keep almost immediately. You'll see their profile icons on the note, which is a quick way to confirm collaboration is active. If you ever need to stop sharing, click the collaborator button again and remove a person from the list. A few quick tips as you collaborate. Updates sync in real time, so you may see changes appear as others type. If someone says they can't access the note, confirm you invited the correct email and that their organization allows external collaboration. For checklists, assign clarity by using a descriptive title and grouping related items. And if you prefer using your phone, the process is similar in the mobile app. That's it. Open Google Keep, choose your note, click Collaborator, add the email, and save. You're ready to share and co-edit your notes with ease.